Hello viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Organza unstitched materials in the part 2 video. The first part is different work. Second part is similar concept but work is a difference. Price soft organza. Synthetic organza but soft and stiff. Organza with 4 side embroidery. Same color shanton pants and lining. Price. Ready for dispatch. Online purchase web selling through purchase. Next one is blue tone. Dark blue color. This is embroidery with very gorgeous dupatta. Same color shanton pants and lining. Aduthathu varunathu mustard yellow. Nalla rasamulla mustard color aanu. Nalla grand aayittulla color aanu. Beautiful mustard tone with neckline embroidery. Dupatta. Same color shanton pants and lining. Next one varunathu rust tone aanu. Nalla rasamulla dark rust color le. Idupole tone to tone embroidery with dupatta. Same color shanton pants and lining. These colors are ready for dispatch. Online purchase web selling through purchase.